How many of you have buttons that your kids push or the parents push? Okay, show me your buttons. Not your belly button. That's an easy one. Okay, by the way, so this is reality. You meet a child for the first time or you meet an adult for the first time. The bug's coming back up with his family. Okay. So you meet somebody for the first time, and then they put you through a test, and then you respond and react. And then basically what you do is you just go like this. And this is an easy button. So when a child does something, I don't love you, and you go, what? And your face gets all red, then the kids go, oh, that's a good one. I'm going to tell the rest of the classroom or something like that. Or when a parent says something to you, see, in reality, the parent says words to you, but then you choose to make it mean something, and then you get upset at them. Does that kind of make sense? It's crazy, but we do it. So how many of you literally, you're like that, but you think everybody's doing stuff to you? So I'm going to be quiet for 5 seconds to let your voice in your head just start making up stories that I have no idea what I'm talking about. Or I'm going to allow your voice in your head to go, all right, I kind of want to be happier, and I really want to be more joyous in life, and I haven't really been happy in a while. I've been doing a good job faking it. So maybe if I actually open my mind and listen, then maybe it might be something that could help me. Does that kind of make sense? Okay, cool. And by the way, you're always going to be around you. Some people are happy. Some people are like, oh, crap. Okay. Hey, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.